Hello and welcome back to Tbilisi. After exploring Batumi, we are now back in Tbilisi, and tonight we are heading straight into the old town. As the sun sets, the city transforms. Warm lights, narrow streets, historic balconies, and that unique Georgian energy that makes Tbilisi unforgettable. Join us for a nighttime walk through Tbilisi's old town, one of the most magical spots in Georgia and a must-see for any traveler. We wandered through the narrow streets lined with cozy restaurants, cafes and clubs, soaking up the atmosphere. Here you can enjoy your meal and the excellent Georgian wine without the hustle and bustle of traffic. The Bridge of Peace was an absolute highlight for us at night, with its LED lighting and special atmosphere. One of the highlights at the Rica Park is the air balloon. You can enjoy the beautiful and panoramic views of the city at a height of 150 meters from the air balloon gondola during the day or night. The city transforms after dark, offering a mix of modern entertainment and a romantic atmosphere with well-lit landmarks. Tbilisi at night is considered a must-see due to its vibrant and diverse nightlife.